Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Adobe Lightroom for matching colors to video step by step clearly. To register with Adobe Lightroom, start by downloading the Adobe Creative Cloud application from the official Adobe website. Once the application is installed, open it and sign in with your Adobe ID or create a new account if you don't have one. After signing in, navigate to the Apps section within the Creative Cloud dashboard. Locate Adobe Lightroom in the list of available applications. Click on the Install button next to Lightroom to begin the installation process. Once the installation is complete, open Adobe Lightroom from the Creative Cloud application or directly from your desktop. On your first launch, you may be prompted to choose between the free or premium version of Lightroom. Select the option that suits your needs best. If you choose the premium version, you will need to enter your payment information for the subscription. Once you've registered, familiarize yourself with the interface by exploring the different panels and features available. To match colors to video, import both your video and still images into Lightroom. Use the color grading panel to adjust the shadows, midtones, and highlights of your still images. Analyze the color palette of your video to determine the dominant colors. Apply similar adjustments to your still images to ensure they match the video's color scheme closely. Use the Match Color feature in the Develop module for more precise adjustments. Continue fine-tuning the colors until you achieve the desired match. Save your edited images by exporting them in your preferred format for use in your projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.